So how you can cash out Temu earnings to PayPal? So first of all, start by heading over to Earn Credits and Free Gift and click on Redeem Credit, which is the bottom of your screen. Now once you are in the system that Temu is using in order to pay the users right now is PayPal. Now you need to set a specific goal like to reach 150 coins, which is the first task that you get in order to get your $10. Now 150 coins are not going to get that easy. You need to invite some friends. So you need to click on refer new app users and copy the link, and you can simply send the link to your new friends or family members, and once they sign up on Temu you will gonna get some points. Now once you have get some points and you have enough balance like 10 or $20, you can simply click on the withdraw option, which is going to show up on your screen automatically, and then you just need to enter your PayPal email address, and once you do so you just gonna need to proceed further and complete the transaction, and you will receive your particular balance into your Temu account. So that's the way of how you can cash out Temu earning in PayPal.